Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World. And this YouTube channel, I discuss a lot about healthy meal, healthy drink, how to do home decoration and budgets, and different life hack. But for today's video, I'll actually be talking about two powerful blenders, and I will let you be the judge which of those two blenders is good. Here I have osterproxlblender, and here I have Vitamix E310. And I'm going to be blending two smoothies. I have different ingredients that I'll be using. On this plate, I have oranges, carrots, mango. And on this plate, I have spinach, broccoli, celery, cucumber. And I'll be blending these two smoothies using these two ingredients. I have Greek yogurt here, which is good for your gut. As a low-fat yogurt, you want to take this every day. And I also have almond milk here. You can actually use any milk of your choice, but I'll be using almond milk. So this video is about putting these two powerful blenders to test. Let's see which one is the best, which one can blend our smoothie and give us that puree, no seed, final product. Please don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World. And don't forget to share this wonderful video. The next thing I'll be doing now, I will wash my ingredients, cut, and we'll be ready. Let's dive in. I love you all. Thank you so much. So we had to put the two blenders to test. Oyster Pro Vitamix E310, and I have all my ingredients cut, washed, and I'm ready. So I'm going to start with the green. Let's start with this. In this plate, on this plate, I have carrots, mango, and orange. So I've divided both into two equal parts. And the same thing here, I have orange, mango, carrots. And I divided both into two equal parts. The oranges at the bottom, and then the carrots. So the next thing I'll be adding, the non-fat Greek yogurt. I'll be adding 3 scoops, or even 4. So now I have the almond milk, low fat, and you can use any milk of your choice. So I'll be adding that. I'm adding a glass cup. Adding a glass cup of almond milk. So now let's blend. So let's blend. I always like to use the pause button to start. So now I'm going to change the settings, and I'll be using the normal blending at the speed of 9 on the Vitamix, and I'll be blending on eye with using Smoothie button on the Oster Pro. And you can actually tell the difference. This is the Oster Pro blender, and this is the Vitamix E310. And even me looking at this, you can see that we have a smooth puree in here. But with this, the Oster Pro, we still have the shaft. You can see the mango shaft in here. And I'm going to pour this into a glass of cup. You can see how smooth the Vitamix blender blended this. You can see the difference. This is from the Oster Pro. We can still see all the mango shaft here. And this is the Vitamix E310. You can't see any mango shaft in here. But I'll still let you be the judge. And I'm going to blend the second set of the smoothie. Thank you for watching. Please. Just to show you the closer look. So here's the smoothie blended using the Vitamix. And here is the smoothie, the same smoothie blended using the Oster Pro XL. You can still see the particles of the mango shaft in this. And when you look at the Vitamix, you can't see that. It's blended everything into puree. And here's a glass of the smoothie. Using the Vitamix, you can see any of the shaft in there. And here is the one from the Oster Pro XL. You can still see the mango shaft in this. So I will let you be the judge. Which one is the best? Vitamix E310 blender or the Oster Pro blender? So let's move to the second smoothie. So, to the second part of the smoothie, we're still trying to put these two powerful blenders to work. I have Oster Pro XL blender here. I have Vitamix E310 blender here. And we're trying to determine which of this powerful blender is the best. So, I have the ingredients divided into two parts, equal parts. So I'm putting the cucumber first, the spinach, the broccoli, celery, and here I'm doing the same thing with the Vitamix. So I'm putting the spinach, the broccoli, celery, cucumber, So another thing I'll be doing now, I'll be adding the Greek yogurt, low-fat yogurt. I'll just be adding 4 scoops. And the quantity of the ingredients you're adding depends on the quantity of smoothie you want to make. And that's the first one. And now I'll be adding a glass cup of almond milk to blend. You can use any milk of your choice. Almond milk to blend. Like I said, you can use any milk of your choice. And I'm going to start both blender on pause. I always like to start with pause. So I'll be starting with pause. The pause button. And now I'm going to blend both using high-speed smoothie. So I'll use the high-speed smoothie. High-speed smoothie. So now we have the 2 blended smoothie, and I just want to come close to you. So we blended the smoothie using the Vitamix E310, and here is it. You can see it turned everything into puree. I'll let you be the judge. And here we have the Oster XL Pro. And this is not as smooth as the Vitamix Blender. Here are the 2 products. This one is from the Oster Pro XL, and this is from the Vitamix E310. You can tell the difference. Vitamix E310, Oster Pro XL. You can tell the difference. And here is it in the blender. The Vitamix and the Oster. So, thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World, where everything is seasoned with love. And I love you. I appreciate your time. And please like this video and share with your loved ones. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. In my opinion, I believe the Vitamix E310 does a good job. This is the smoothie from the Vitamix E310, and this is the smoothie from the Oster Pro XL. But in my opinion, the Vitamix E310 does a good job. You can see the difference. But I'll let you comment. Put your comments in the below body and let me see what you think. Thank you. Appreciate you. So here are the two blended smoothie using two different blenders. Here I use Vitamix E310 Blender, and this I use the Oster Blender. But in my opinion, I believe the Vitamix E310 Blender does a good job, a better job than the Oster Pro XL. So, but I'll let you be the judge. That's what I think. Please put your comment below and let me know what you think about this. Thank you. Bye for now.